Hi, good evening. I want to start with a question to all of you. What is common between Albert Einstein, Madame Curie, or Wright brothers? They are iconic innovators. Why are they iconic? Because what they built many years and decades back has changed life for mankind forever. Let me give an example. What was mobility yesterday? The word mobility probably for us meant travel by train, by road, by airplane because of what Wright brothers did. But in the last decade, mobility has changed to what Uber has done, to what Elon Musk is trying to do. From mobility between cities and countries, the human mankind today is talking of interstellar travel, and companies are building technologies to help us achieve these outcomes. So all of this is nothing but innovation. Today, as Indian investors, while we are a part of the fastest growing country to take advantage of this growth, but when it comes to innovation, we really don't have the best business models available in India. And if you want to take advantage of innovation, the best thing is to look globally. We know about companies like Netflix and Facebook and Apple and Amazon and Google, the FANGs, but innovation is beyond FANG. Innovation goes far and wide into technology, into biotech, into semiconductors, into cloud computing, into gaming, and so on and so forth. Let me give you a very interesting example. There is a company called CRISPR Therapeutics. They have built a gene editing technology that allows to make precise changes to our DNA to cure cancer type of diseases. And some of their precision drugs have done this within 3 months. But the cost of these products, the cost of one particular drug is $4 lakh. So to us as consumers, this could be expensive, but these are life-changing innovations, and as investors, we can take advantage of that. We are all familiar with the recent success of Zomato. It's become a household brand for us in terms of food delivery. A similar business model has flourished in the US, which is a company called DoorDash. So these are type of business models which are globally transforming lives, creating huge impact, creating large amounts of profitability, spending billions of dollars on research and development in making huge impact in the lives of consumers. So innovation builds its success on the failure of many businesses and many companies. So how do we as investors take advantage of this opportunity, at the same time shield ourselves from the volatility that innovation can create? The best way to do that is to be aware that in the short term, innovation can be scary, can be disruptive, can be volatile. However, in the long term, with the right businesses and the right business models, it can be profitable.
Introducing DSP Global Innovation Fund of Fund, an NFO which is beyond fantastic. Made for the Imagineers wanting to participate in innovation worldwide. The fund has a good mix of dominators, disruptors, and enablers that are reimagining the world as we know it. Gives you exposure to cutting-edge, next-gen themes like semiconductors, pharmaceuticals, autonomous driving, blockchain, artificial intelligence, robotics, cloud infrastructure, social media, software, and more. Has a fine balance of active and passive fund strategy, with a suitable allocation to large, mid and small cap companies. Has a low correlation with the Indian equity market that may act as a sound portfolio diversification strategy for you. DSP Global Innovation Fund, NFO open now. Invest today.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.